Presenting a pre-owned 2015 Ford F-250. This four-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 6.7-liter V8 engine, with four-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Ford has less than 82,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition, has glossy original paint, has no scratches, dents, or rust, and has been fully detailed. It has had all scheduled maintenance completed. Key features include chrome package, power moonroof, automatic climate control, Bluetooth, MP3 player, SIRIUS satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, universal remote, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, and power windows.